This is an automated optical inspection instrument from Intellect AI for inspecting printed circuit boards. Printed circuit board is the heart of an electrical device. It usually has components mounted on it. How can we inspect a PCB? There are so many points to give attention to. That's why an automated inspection instrument can be very helpful to efficiently and accurately examine a printed circuit board. Here I start demonstrating how the new instrument from Intellect AI automates the inspection of a PCB assembly. Inspection found soldering problems at 3 spots. Now I am taking off the middle pins and the capacitor and will inspect it again. As you can see, all the missing components were detected. The last inspection is about inspecting the component type. Here I put a different type of capacitor on the PCB and start the inspection. We got an error. Wrong capacitor. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Until the next time.